Model 2020 CITREON Relay Spares OR Repairs Roof Rack ULEZ Cool 35 L3H2 Eprise Bhdi S. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,911. MOT, 31 July 2024. Engine, 2179 cc BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect, bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, 3 keys, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.